Good afternoon, Doctor. I'm Fazing from LMCorporation. Today I'll be executing the test cases in our system. So the first test case that I'll be executing is test case number 5, personal information successfully updated without changing name. So the first step is to log in as a job seeker. Alright, so we can see that the account is a job seeker and the user is redirected to the dashboard. So this test case is considered passed. The next step is to navigate to the edit profile page, and we expect it to display the current profile information, which is thus. So this test case is passed. The next thing is to modify editable personal information such as number, gender, and location. We expect the fields to accept new input, and name field is not editable. So name field is not editable, and here we will change the contact number, the gender, and also the location. So this test case is passed. Next, we'll click on the Save or Update button, and then the system will validate and update the information. So we'll also look at the next stage, which is System Displays Confirmation, and we expect it to show profile updated successfully, a message, something like that. Alright, so let's click on Update, and here it shows profile updated successfully. So these two test cases are considered passed. Overall, this test case is passed, and then the execution duration is about 3 minutes, and we can click on pass and move to the next case. Alright, so the next test case is number 7, most recent work experience successfully updated. Here we need to log in and go to edit profile, and the profile form is loaded. So edit profile. So this step is passed. Next, we will scroll to the work experience section, and the experience details will be shown. This test case is also passed. Now, we need to edit the job role, company name, or the years of experience. And new details will be accepted by the input form. Right, so we'll edit the job role, the company name, and also the years of experience. Alright, so this step is also passed. And now we will click on the update button, and we expect the system to validate and update the experience section. Alright, so if you back to the profile, update profile page, and we can see that the user information is updated. So this test case step is also passed. Overall, the whole test case is passed, and this execution duration is about 2 minutes. So we can move on to the next test case. So this test case is test case number 8. It is called Skills and Proficiency Level Successfully Added and Removed. First, we will log in and go to the edit profile. And here, the skills section is available for editing. So this step is passed. Next, we will add a new skill with a selected proficiency level, and the skill will be added to the list. So let's add a new hard skills, and then we'll make it something like C++, and then we will name it advanced level. So this step is also passed. Next, we will remove an existing skill. So the remove skill will disappear from the list. So for now, I will just remove this skill and it will be deleted from the skill list. So this test step is also passed. Next, we'll click on Save or Update, and the system will save the updated list of skills. So let's add a soft skill and also a new hard skill. And here we'll click on Update. So we expect the system to save the updated list of skills. And here it is. So overall, this test case is passed. And for the duration, it is about 3 minutes. And we can set it to pass. So there is the 3 test cases execution for my part. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Tam Jahong. So now I will proceed with the test case 47, which is successfully user create and send a valid message. So the first step is click on the chat icon. So the chat this page is displayed. So I click on the chat icon. You can see it's displayed. So I run pass and the status change to pass. So selecting an existing conversation or start a new chat. The chat windows open with the selected users. Okay, it is right. So pass. Enter valid message in the message box and message appear in the input field. Yes, it is pass. Click the send button, the message is sent and appear in the chat box. So it is appear here. View auto reply message. The system auto generate and display a reply. Yes, it is auto reply here. So pass. We open the chat. The sends message are visible in the chat history. So we go to the previous page and we open again the page. So we can see here the message still visible to us. So it's passed. So overall, this test case is passed and this used me about 3 minutes. So I will choose click to set the pass and move to the next test case. So now I will test on the test case 48, which is users fail to send invalid empty chat message. So first step, click on the chat icon, go to the desktop first, and click on the chat icon. And the chat list page is displayed here. So pass. Select a conversation or start a new chat. The chat windows open with the selected users. Yes, it pass. Leave the message box empty or type only space. So we leave it empty. So the message box remain empty here. Yes, pass. Click on the send button. The system should display a pop-up from to prompt the users enter a valid message. We try click the send button. Yes, the system pop out a window. So the users cannot enter. So yes, pass. And trying to send again without editing the content message is not sent, the user still prompt to enter the valid input. Okay, yes, it's passed. So overall, conclusion is test case is passed about 3 minutes and it is passed and I will move to the next test case. So now we continue with the test case 51, which is successfully user send a chat message instantly. So the first step is click on the chat icon. The chat list page is displayed. Yes, it is passed. Also, select a conversations or start a new one. Chat windows open with the selected users. Yes, it is passed. Type a valid message in the web message box, and the message is typed successfully. Yes, it is successful. And click the send button. Message is sent instantly and appear in the chat window. Yes, it's appear instantly here. So it's passed. Check the recipient's chat box. The message is also displayed on the recipient chat window without delay. So now I will go to Elin your pricing account and check if this message is appear instantly. So I now log out and log into the Elin account. Click on the check, charge. Yes, we can see the message is just appear here. So appear instantly here. So we can conclude that it is passed. So in conclusion, this test case is passed and it takes me about 5 minutes. So it is success and pass. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Doctor, I'm going to record the capture of three the capture of screen of three test cases. So first, let's execute this test case. Filter chat history by that. Okay. Right now 09 p.m. and then I navigate to a chat with a user. Pass and then filter that 24/9 24 June and apply. And then yes, I apply the filter so the message shown. Okay, then 2 minutes. Okay, next I search chat history by keywords. So let's say I open chat now, right? So it passed. Then I search interview. Yeah, the keyword input registered, and I executed it. The keyword, the message containing interview display. Yeah, here. So the test case passed. And next is apply that filter with no matching message. So I open chat with the user. Same, I'm using this chat, and then so it passed, and then apply that filter without any message. Let's say 25 December 2023. Okay, 25 December. click apply. Apply it. So it shows no message found for this debt. So I've used 3 minutes